Now we'll be demonstrating the use of the impulse adjusting tool. I have attached the lumbar or lower back attachment to the instrument, and we're going to render a chiropractic adjustment with the impulse instrument to her lower back. Now, the impulse instrument is tuned to the same frequency of the spine. Therefore, it's going to deliver a dynamic thrust in a very short amount of time with very little pressure. I'll insert the instrument to the patient's lumbar spine, load the device, and render the adjustment. And we'll do several segments of the lumbar spine that we have determined are moving improperly through palpation, which is me feeling the spine to check dynamic motion. This is the chiropractic impulse adjusting tool.